So guys, I welcome you to this channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys this particular strategy which you can actually use to be making consistent profit in the market. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn up the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you get to know about it and to make money with it. Okay, also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay, this strategy, crypto strategy I'm about to share with you guys, if you doesn't understand how it works, if you don't carry it out properly, you're really gonna lose money. So crypto is risky. Okay, for those of you that don't know how the market actually work. So what we are actually doing here, this is arbitrage opportunity. So what you are actually doing is that you are buying the coin where it is low, then you go to where the coin is high to do what? To be able to sell the same coin. Okay, so you can actually buy this particular coin from this particular exchange at 0.019. Okay, that's how arbitrage actually work. You buy it low 0.02, then you go to another exchange where you can actually sell it 0.03. That is what we call coin arbitrage opportunity. Okay, also remember, I have a class where I teach you P2P arbitrage, coin arbitrage, and also give signals on daily basis. Okay, so if you want to join that particular group, my VIP group, it costs you a little token, okay, for you to be able to join our VIP. So you can send me message on Telegram or WhatsApp if you want to get started. Okay, and if you want me to train you on how to be profitable in P2P market, which is dollar to your own local currency, or coin arbitrage, which is to buy coin where it is low and sell where it is high, which is to get the signal on daily basis, you can also contact me. Okay, so on this particular case, you can see that one of the major key important rule in arbitrage is for you to be able to buy quickly and sell quickly. Okay, which is to buy fast and sell fast, which is the major key point that most people normally miss in coin arbitrage. Okay, so now there is this particular bot which we have been using. You don't need to put money in that particular bot. Okay, and it is not for sale, it is free. Okay, what the bot does is that you can be able to use that bot to bind to exchange, connect the bot with one exchange to another exchange where you're really gonna be selling. So once you click buy, you click sell, so it can be able to help you to perform your arbitrage very, very fast and make money and move out from the market. So it costs you like let's say it takes you like 1 to 2 minutes, just in seconds, or 1 minute or 2 minutes for you to, depending if you are having a network challenges. So but the maximum the bot carries out your trade is within 2 minutes. It have executed by and sell, so it's very, very fast in executing trade. Okay, it doesn't take, just within seconds it have buy, within seconds it have sold. Okay, so if you want to get that particular bot, it is for free, not for sale. Okay, so it is an AI bot. Okay, and for you to get access to it, you need to join my inner circle, which is my VIP group, before I give it out to you. Okay, so that is that for now. So one good thing about using bot for you to execute trade is that it has a fast executioner. Okay, it's a fast executioner. You can use it to execute trade fast. Okay, and move on to another if there is other opportunity, because the way you make money in trades is when you buy a coin low, then you sell it high. Okay, when you buy a coin low, you sell it high. That is when you make money. You can be making with as low, like sometime will give signal in my VIP group. You can use 20 USDT to carry it out. You can use 50 USDT. Sometime if you are using a lower capital, which is like 20 USDT, you might be getting 50 cents in return. Now, for you to actually make money in that particular trade, you need to be consistent. You need to do it over and over and over and over again for you to make money. You can do it up to 10 times for you to get 5 USDT, and the next thing is for you to continue growing. Okay, that is how it actually works. So now let's go to the second exchange. Okay, remember, if you want to join my class, you can send me a message on Telegram or WhatsApp. The link is down below this video, or you can actually join my signal group, so you can be getting this signal on daily basis. And another thing is for you to avoid a coin that has a hidden fee. I will always say it in my video. Okay, so you need to know those particular coin that has a hidden fee. It is very, very important that you do that, because if you don't do that, once the you carry out an opportunity on that particular coin, that is the reason why most people have a community. We have a community, so that it wouldn't be that you are the first person that is trying this particular coin out and you go and lose your money. It will be that we have on our own background, we have carried out the opportunity and see if it is profitable before we start giving it out. Okay, in one trade, if you are not careful, if there is a hidden fee, you can lose up to 10 USDT, 20 US, 30 USDT, 5 US. That is the reason why instead of losing money, you join a community. Okay, so as you can see over here, well, the price of this particular token is at, let me refresh. So if you take a look at this particular token here, you see that this token is actually selling at 0.018. Okay, 0.018. So let's go to the second exchange and see how much that exchange is selling this particular token. So guys, if you take a look at this particular exchange here, you see that this particular exchange is selling the same token at 0.02. Okay, meanwhile Mexi is selling this particular token for 0.0184. okay, so let's make analysis on it. Let's check and see if actually it is profitable on this particular price here. Now you can see that. So let's check it out from here. So you can actually buy from here. So if you want to make it do it manually, or you want to use the bot, okay, all is profitable because the price difference is much higher. Okay, so let's take a look at here. Let's see the bot doing. So the Mexi is selling for 0.0184. okay, times, let's you are using 100 USDT. So if you are using 100 USDT, this is how much you're gonna be using to buy it from Mexi, which is 5,500 pieces. So you're gonna be using 101 USDT to buy. So if you sell it in the second exchange where they are selling for 0.2, okay, you can see the profit margin. So if you remove your initial, which is 0.01, so you see that you also have 9 USDT. Even if you are using 50 USDT in this particular trade right now, you are still in good profit. So you can join us and start making money. You can take advantage of the opportunity now to make money. And if you are getting to see the opportunity late, okay, if the opportunity is no longer available, what you need to do is to contact me. You can send me a message on WhatsApp or Telegram to join our VIP group, so that you'll always be updated at every second, every minute of the day, and start joining us to this opportunity. Okay, thank you.